name is Kevin Gundry, and I'm one of the owners of Custom Exteriors. Custom Exteriors offers windows and entry doors and Hardie siding to homeowners, and we work directly with homeowners that are remodeling their homes or doing upgrades. Custom Exteriors has been in business for almost 25 years, so we have a long history, which is good, that shows stability. Custom Exteriors also offers a wide array of products and materials to give people more options and choices. And we've also eliminated products that we feel are not suitable for the standards of our homeowners. Another important thing is that we also install our products with our employees. We're not subbing out the work. And we also use only the best materials and installation process. Most of our guys that have been with us doing estimates for homeowners know windows inside and out as far as what materials are important to talk about. We could describe why to choose one product over another. Our installers, many of them have been with me for actually close to 20 plus years. I actually have one crew that's been with me for almost 25 years since we began the company. Our company years ago was named #1 window and door company in the United States by Window and Door magazine. And then a few years later, we were ranked #1 in the country for installation. We're also a member of the Anlin Elite distribution, where we have been selling their products for almost 25 years. Our installers have been through the ALMA Master Certified Installation Program. We're also certified by OSI Caulking with their system, and that's important. And we're also Diamond certified, and we have extremely good reviews on social media. If you're looking at value and you're looking at all of the things that are important in picking the right company, we should be the obvious choice. But you have to look at all the things, how long they've been around, what their reputation is, are they properly insured and licensed. We built a company that we wanted to be proud of, that was going to do what we wanted done for us. In other words, if we hire a contractor, we want to be treated a certain way, and that's the philosophy that we've always had. If you're looking for new windows, doors, or Hardie siding for your house, we're happy to help. Whether you choose us or not, it's important to us that at least you give us the opportunity to come out and meet with you.